The stars above feel eternal. Galaxies hang in the darkness like frozen fire. The night sky gives the illusion of stillness, a universe at peace. But that calm is a lie. The universe is not standing still. It's flying apart, faster and faster with every second. And the reason why is something we barely understand. It's called dark energy. It doesn't glow. It doesn't clump into stars or planets. It doesn't even seem to interact with matter in any conventional way. But it makes up more than 2/3 of the entire universe. We discovered dark energy not through sight, but through silence. In the late 1990s, astronomers studying distant Type Ia supernovae, massive stellar explosions used as cosmic mile markers, found something shocking. These explosions were dimmer than expected, which meant they were farther away than expected, which meant the expansion of the universe wasn't slowing down due to gravity, as everyone assumed. It was speeding up, accelerating. Some unknown force, was pushing the universe apart, not just stretching space, tearing it open. We named it dark energy, but naming it didn't mean we understood it. In fact, we still don't. It could be an inherent property of space itself, something Einstein once called the cosmological constant. According to this idea, empty space isn't truly empty. It has energy, and that energy exerts a repulsive force. The more space expands, the more space there is to generate repulsion. And so the cycle continues. Faster, farther, forever. But there are other theories. Some suggest dark energy is a dynamic field, changing over time, not constant but evolving. Others believe it might be a symptom of higher dimensions, leaking into ours from beyond the fabric of space-time. And some wonder if dark energy even exists at all. Maybe our understanding of gravity itself is flawed at cosmic scales. Maybe we need a new theory, one that rewrites what we think we know. But whatever dark energy is, or isn't, we see its effects. Galaxies are drifting apart. Space is expanding, and the expansion is accelerating. So what does that mean for the future? It depends. In one scenario, known as the Big Freeze, the universe continues expanding forever. Galaxies become too distant to see. Stars burn out. Black holes evaporate. The cosmos cools into darkness, a slow fade into nothing. In another, more violent ending, called the Big Rip, dark energy increases over time. Eventually, its repulsion overcomes every force, pulling galaxies apart, then stars, then planets, then molecules, then atoms, until nothing remains. Even space-time itself unravels, and the universe ends, not with a bang or a whimper, but with a shred. A third possibility? That dark energy reverses, collapses, triggering a big crunch, where the universe contracts back into a singularity, or perhaps oscillates in an eternal cycle of expansion and collapse, the Big Bounce. We don't know which fate awaits us, because we don't know what dark energy truly is. We only know it's powerful, and that it is everywhere, even here, in the space between atoms, in the emptiness around Earth, in the darkness behind the stars. You are surrounded by it, right now, and yet you'll never touch it, never see it, only feel its consequences across billions of light years in the shape of the cosmos itself. There's something poetic about that, a force so vast, so dominant, and so invisible. It reminds us how little we truly know, that the universe is not made only of matter and light, but of mystery, and that in the silence between galaxies, there is a song we cannot yet hear, but we know it's playing. Dark energy is a reminder that the universe is not finished. It is still writing itself, with invisible ink, still expanding, still unfolding, still becoming. And so are we. As you drift into sleep tonight, imagine the galaxies racing apart, carried on the current of something vast and unseen. And ask yourself, what fills the void? What holds it all together? What pushes it all apart? And could there be a force stronger still, not to destroy, but to understand? The universe is expanding, and maybe, just maybe, so is our capacity to wonder.